Hi students, my name is Sumalata. In this session we are going to discuss about directive influence of functional groups on monosubstituted benzene. We can call it as also ortho and para directing groups or meta directing groups. Okay. See here, if you are before watching this video, try to watch previous videos, then you can easily understood about this topic. Like and share these videos to students or children who are interested to learn chemistry. Post your doubts in comment section. See, coming to our topic, if monosubstituted benzene is there, if it is going to be further electrophilic substitution, what happens? See, it is a monosubstituted benzene. Some substituent we take, imagine this is A. If it is going to be further electrophilic substitution, here chance to form three possible products. What are those three? See here, one is the substitution going to be on ortho position, that is ortho substitution. If electrophile going to be on para position, that is a para product. If electrophile is going to be attack on meta position, that is the meta substituent. See, what is the question here? Is all these three products are formed in equal amounts or not? No, these three products are not formed in equal amounts. Why? Because see here there are two possible ways to form substituted products. One is, see, either ortho and para. This is the one way to form products. Maybe ortho and para both will form, or the another product is the meta product. This is another possible way. What is the reason behind this one? Because see here, the formation of product always mainly depends upon the group which is present on benzene ring. Okay, that is not depends upon the incoming group or newly coming electrophile. Okay, this is the main reason. See, this effect is nothing but directive influence of a functional group. See, here ortho and para directive groups. What are the ortho and para directive groups? The groups which are going to be directs the newly coming electrophile towards ortho position or para position, then those groups are called as ortho para directing groups. Suppose you can take one example. See students, this is the phenol OH. Okay, see, in phenol oxygen has a two lone pair of electrons. This OH group has minus I effect along with this plus R effect. Here this plus R group dominates this minus I effect, so that what happens, the oxygen donates its electrons towards ring carbon atom, then resonance structures will be formed here. See, while donating electrons, this double bond shifted to neighboring carbon atom, so that that carbon gets a positive charge, a negative charge. This oxygen gets positive charge on it. Okay, see where the negative charge generated, this is the ortho position. Negative charge is nothing but electron rich center. Okay, so is it possible to attack electrophile on this ortho position or not? Check it once. See here it is possible. Why? Because electrophile has positive charge and it has a negative charge, so that ortho place electrophilic addition is favorable. Coming to another resonance structure, if this double bond going towards another carbon atom, again negative charge generated at para position. See, this is the para position. Is it possible to electrophile attack on this place? Yes, it is possible, because it is also having negative charge or electron rich center. Coming to next resonance structure, if it is going towards another carbon atom, see, again ortho position gets negative charge, OH plus. See, this ortho position and this ortho position both are similar. So what happens? See, all these structures happens because of a plus R effect of this OH group. Again, this also has minus I effect, so that it can drags its electrons towards itself. Okay. So what happens here? Again, phenol will be formed. OH. See, the first structure and the last structure, these two are the calculus structures. The middle remaining these three are the resonance structures. See, by observing these structures, what happens here? Phenol, by donating its electrons, because of its plus R effect, it can activates the ring carbon atoms towards electrophilic substitution, especially at ortho and para positions. Okay, coming to, if you take aryl halide, students, this is the aryl halide. See, X is nothing but here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Anyone can comes here. See, these aryl halides are having minus I effect. Along this minus I effect, these are also having plus some effect also. See, because of their minus I effect, aryl halide, these halogens acting as a slightly ring deactivating group. Because of minus I effect, they can push electrons towards themselves, those electrons present in a ring carbon atoms. Okay, so what happens here? But these are also having plus some effect, so that because of this plus some effect, they can acting as a ring activating groups also. These are also activates ortho and para positions towards electrophilic substitution. Coming to some examples, if you can see, NH2, NHR, NHCO, CH3, okay, O minus, SH, methyl, ethyl, etc. Okay, all these groups are acting as a ring activating groups, are nothing but ortho and para directing groups. By observing this, I think you may have idea about how ortho and para electrophilic substitution products will be formed. Then we will see about meta directing groups. See, what is a meta directing group or meta directing groups? The groups which directs the incoming electrophile towards a meta position, those are the meta directing groups. These meta directing groups also known as ring deactivating groups. Okay, see, suppose you can take nitrobenzene, students. In nitrobenzene, the nitro group is having highly minus I effect. Because of its minus I effect, what happens here? It can drags electrons towards itself from ring carbon atom. Then what happens here? At ortho position, positive charge will be generated. See, this is the ortho position. See here, is it possible to attack electrophile on this ortho position? There is no chance to attack. Why? Because it has positive charge. It is also a positive charge, so that it is not possible to attack electrophile. Coming to another resonance structure. See, this electron shifted towards neighboring carbon atom. Then again para will get positive charge, NO minus O. Okay, N gets positive here. See, no need to write positive charge because it is a dative bond. Coming to here, see, this is para. Here also there is no chance to attack electrophile on this para because of both are positive charges. Coming to next one, then these electrons shifted towards meta position. So meta having negative charge. So that what happens here, when compared to ortho and para positions, this meta has little more electron rich center, okay, or acting as a little more electron rich center, so that electrophile, this is the favorable to attack electrophile on meta position, okay. See, we already know ring carbon atoms also have resonance, so that these electrons comes back towards ring carbon atoms, then nitrobenzene will be formed. See, these first structure and last structure, first one and fifth one, both are the calculus structures. These remaining middle are the resonance structures. By observing this, all meta directing groups are the deactivating groups. They can direct electrophilic attack on meta position only, okay. Suppose you can take some examples here. Nitro, cyano, aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, SO3H, etc. All these groups are acting as a meta directing groups, are deactivating groups. See, this is about ortho, para and meta directing groups are effect of functional groups on directive effect of functional groups on monosubstituted benzene. I hope you like this video.